inside my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
So in today's video, I want to show you how I do my cold press carrot oil. You know, there are two types of ways to do your carrot oil. You can either do it with heat or you can do it cold press. So today I'll be doing cold press. Of course, you need your carrot, you need 2 carrots, and you need your carrot oil, which can be coconut oil, olive oil. So I'm going to be using olive oil for my carrot oil. Okay, so first thing first, you want to make sure that your carrot is clean. You want to make sure your carrot is clean. Scrape off. I've already washed this carrot. It's washed and clean. You want to make sure you scrape the back of the carrot. You grate it, you want to make sure you put it in a bigger tray so it can actually, because you want to air dry it. We already know that carrot contains a lot of water, so I want to make sure that all this water is gone. I want a dry carrot, so make sure that you don't put it under the sun. You don't need direct sunlight. If you put it under the sun, it's going to kill all the nutrients that this carrot contains. So we don't want it to be under the sun. You have to keep it somewhere that is cool. You air dry it and do not use heat. Do not put it in the oven either to dry it, all right? So I'm going to let it dry. It can take maybe 1 or 2 days for it to dry completely. Once it is dried, then I'm going to continue my procedure. See, the size has reduced. I had to use my fan to dry it. Like I told you before, it's going to be air dry. Do not put it under the sun. So I'm just going to put this into a clean bottle. I'll just go straight ahead and tell you the benefits of using carrot oil. 1, it is going to fade your wrinkles, okay, because of the high level of vitamin A, E, and beta carotene in it. It's very good for wrinkles. If you have dry skin, it's a very good moisturizer. It is going to rejuvenate your skin and exfoliate those dead cells in your body, and you can keep your body moisturized all the time. And also it is also good for anti-aging because of the vitamin A, E, and beta carotene in it. And also guys, it is also good. It's going to get rid of free radicals on our body, and also going to get rid of some infections which is on our body. And also one of the benefits of using this carrot oil is it is going to lighten your complexion, and it's going to give you a very good and glowing skin. And another thing is, if you have sunburn, it is going to get rid of your sunburn. So guys, if you use this carrot oil, there's a lot of benefits which you're going to get from it. So you want to make sure that you cover the carrot, okay? The carrot immerses very well into the oil, and you cover it very well. So this is my carrot oil. I'm going to leave this oil into this container for 14 days, guys, because you want the oil, the carrot to infuse into the oil. You want to get all the nutrients from the carrot, all the properties that the carrots contain. So make sure you keep it in a cold place, out of sunlight. We don't want sunlight, guys, because it might damage, might kill all the nutrients that is in this carrot. So when you keep this in a cold place, every 3 days you might want to check it, you know, and you have to shake it every 3 days. All right, after 14 days we are going to come back to this oil and see how it has turned out. And also we can also use this oil on our hair. It is good for hair growth and for dry scalps. It's going to keep your hair moisturized all the time. So guys, well, I will get back to you after 14 days. Let's see how our carrot oil has turned out. This is 1 week, guys, and I've been shaking this carrot oil every 3 days. I'll come and check it, open it and let the air to go out, and then I shake it. So this is how it looks like after 1 week. Just going to squeeze that. So this is our carrot oil. You can go ahead and try to do the cold press carrot oil method. It's very good. You can use this carrot oil on your body, you can use it on your hair, you can also put it in your food as well. Even on your baby's food you can put it. You can put it on your baby's hair, you can use it on your own hair as well. Okay, so guys, I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video was helpful, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. And as you do so, God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.